shopping from bahay. So, we're at the counter curtain section. Okay. Curtain bar section. Ayan, kinarga na. Masara rin house tour. Ta-dang! So here's the entrance of our house. We'll be transferring this Monday pa. So at the entrance, there is a Sherrock, built-in Sherrock. Yeah, that one. But of course, I cannot reach up high. So here lang ta. Then, there is a small one. Dami lalagyan. And then, on the other side, there is a tatami room. In Japan, this is what you call like a living room, like a rest, a place where you can rest. And here is the locker. Ayan. And other side may locker din. Okay, so as we turn here, this is the living room. Okay, so ito yung living room, kitchen, living. And someone's there. Okay, and this is the kitchen, the sink, and of course, maraming lalagyan dyan. This one, cabinets, and grill. This is the cooking area. We could also grill. Yan, grill. And that is the ano yan, exhaust. And this one, cabinet up high. And let's go the other side. Ayan, may kaunting lalagyan din dito. Okay, and this is hi. Okay, so this is the sink, and this is where we can put the washing machine. And this is the bathroom. Yan, bathroom. Hot tub. And here. Okay. And let's go up. Here. To the second floor. Second floor na punta. Siya, to the eyes.